Auscultation почечных артерий. Auscultation of renal arteries. Occultation of renal arteries is performed in points 5 centimeters up the umbilicus and 5 centimeters aside in right and left side. These points are projections of renal artery. Normal blood flow through renal artery without murmurs and other noise. Only in pathological cases, if stenosis or aneurysm of renal arteries, we can listen to murmur similar to heart murmur. Posteriorly, in lumbar areas, we can auscultate renal arteries in ureteric posterior points. Все.